I've been rescuing wolves for all my life. Hi, I'm Tanya with Wolf Mountain Sanctuary. We got started here in Lucerne Valley 26 years ago. My grandfather raised me, and we had wolves, cougars, bobcats, different animals that we took care of. I always hung out with the cougars and the wolves. The wolves are very special to me. I'm part of them, they're part of me, and together we're one. They're my spirit brother. They guide me through what I need to know. I also know when they don't feel good, and they also know when I don't feel good. My grandfather told me my summons in life is with the wolf. Eat that. We get a lot of wolves from people that think wolves make good pets. They don't. When they turn 4 to 6 months old, they decide they're alpha. And they have to have red meat, chicken, vegetables, a balanced diet. A lot of people just feed them dog food, then their bones and intestines don't grow. Also, they come from breeders that have overbred. They're trying to make money on the wolf. People say they're vicious, they kill just to kill. Both of them are wrong. These are all wolves that were born in captivity. They've never seen the wild, they wouldn't survive. We've tried it, and they go up to people to see if they have food for them. That's why they can't go back in the wild. If they were wild and brought here, that would be a different story. They'd be bouncing off the fence and wanting out because they know free. That's the difference. I'd rather them be in the wild and run free and be happy. They're happy here, it's just, I don't like being in a cage. I can't leave here without worrying about the wolves. I don't go that far. I don't get any days off. I stay with them because I always is checking on them. They are very important to me because they're part of my life. They're part of the Native American culture. They're our brothers. There's a purpose for the wolf. They are part of the circle of life. We need them in our wild. feel this is their home. I want to make it better so they can have 2-acre compounds and run free as they can. The eyes, you look into their eyes and you can see your soul. It's so beautiful.